Good evening, everybody. Today is the 18th of November 2024. We will be going through a couple of instruments, starting with Bitcoin because that is the hot instrument of the times as of now. We'll be looking at gold, we'll be looking at the dollar index, and of course, we could not go away without looking at the NQs and the MES. So, as you can see, Bitcoin has been trending high for the past couple of days. It's at 90,000, right? This was something that was sitting at 70s. We went down to like 49,000. So whoever was able to buy the dip, capitalized, mindful of this gap, right? Could be filled anytime. I'm looking for this, continuously to push again to the high side. The high that this move has made, we can see is 93,195. So that's BTC high 93,195. I'm also taking down my notes here. Just something for me to look at. The low is where I have a couple of things that I'm interested in. Previous day low is 89,725. I have some alerts set at 725-ish, right? If you can see, we are like consolidating within that range. If you go down to the 30-minute, you can see that we're now seeing a pullback. We are heading up to the upside. The 90s held very well. We're not touching back down here, and we're going back up, right? We're going at 91,460s now. I'm looking to get into buys if I see selling coming in. I'm sure there's going to be selling at some point. This move right here, I was expecting this to come down all the way here. We didn't. Instead, we went back up. A lot of people got long here, but they all got stopped out. They all got messed up here, right? With this downward move, I was in shorts over here. I got stopped out once we broke above this 15-minute candle right here, because you never know, right? And now we're having the same move. Now, moving from a perspective of looking at just the dailies, right? An area that I said I'm interested in. I'm just gonna throw something here. Let's see. It was 93,195. So 93,195 is where we're gonna be sitting at. That's up there. The low has already been marked off. I do believe. I do hope. Okay, we have somewhere over there. It's okay. I can live with that. Now, selling, right? Selling. So the big consolidation here. We went, broke up, came back down, consolidate, go back down below structure, above structure, very well above this structure right here. We're now dealing with this. Buying can be confirmed. Yeah, I'll give it up till here. Right? Or you could say somewhere here. Perfect would be sort of here. So let's see. Let's do 4 hour. Right? Let's do 4 hour. I think that's more cleaner. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna use this as my reference point here. Okay, that's going to be the GBs are going to be 92 to 35. Well, that's quite the range, right? Like 92 to 35. That's like 1,000 points from here. But you gotta give it what you gotta give it. 92 to 35, and we are going to say okay to that. Hallelujah. All right. Okay, so GG's, eh? GG's. Who knows? Again, we did it twice, but then failed. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see what we do in and around this area, if there's enough buying. Because like as you can see, we came up. Once we came back down, shattered back down, came up, tested, closed above, close below, hovered, hovered, hovered. So there's a lot of hovering and a lot of speculation in and around that area. I'm looking for something solid, something really, really solid above that. Not weak wicks. Anyways, so I think we have a good idea of what we want to do with Bitcoin. Dip buys around here, continuation moves above here. Okay, cool. Let's go and look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. My gold chart is gonna be looking like a mess. Oh, look at that. It's not. I lied. Now, with gold. Oh, look what I said. I told you, right? My gold chart is gonna be a mess. That's the mess that you see right there. I had alerts set down here. I have alerts set up here. There's no play in gold unless those alerts get triggered. So I haven't had a trade in gold in some time. We might see a trade in gold uh, based off of where we are right now. I do believe that trade could be coming up real soon, right? So in my way of understanding is people who were short above here stopped out, stepped out. This is a pullback. If we stay above 2600s, 2630s, right above here, properly and heavily, then that's also GG's for gold. So we'll get to know, right? Like once 20, anywhere between 2630s. So we're quite close. I'll have one more order. Sorry, I'll have one more alert that would tell me that we're really close. Based off of the way I see this could be something that happens overnight. Today's 18th. This could be in the London session or something. Anyways, let's see what the dollar index did the entire day. So, coming back to DXY, post elections, as you can see, this was October. We were trading at 02s. This was election day, November, I don't know, 6th, I guess, is when the elections had. We have building permits coming up as news. As you can see, we are holding a break above this would absolutely shatter gold, no doubt. But I can see some weakness. I can see some potential weakness. I would like to see us, if and only if that is a potential move. What is that? What's this line that I have here? More importantly, why do I even have that? Okay, I like that better. I like that better. So it's still held, right? Um, you never know, right? Like this could continue ripping up or it could continue ripping down. It's gold, it can do anything it wants. But I have my eyes set on that. If we go below that, if we basically go below this, I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs on gold, right? Because dollar index inversely correlated. Anyways, that being said, the thing that's quite interesting to me to watch is, let's see, what's this low here? 106,331. Can I draw something there? 106,331. It's quite interesting, but we'll see. So 106,331. Hmm. 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 Now, hmm. What's gold at right now? Okay, fair enough. I'm looking for a liquidity grab on gold. I'm looking to go long on gold. Um, but again, we need to be above this for me to considerably be long. But I know I can still go long right now. So we're just gonna give it a very, gonna just give it a very small trade. I'm gonna put our stops where, where. This is a pre-market low. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. 26.13s. It's a $42 trade. Okay, let's go long. Let's try. See what happens. I don't care. I don't care losing 42 bucks. Anyways. Now, let's look at what other things are doing. Let that do its thing. The Russell, I had a good trade. I had a good short on the Russell. Absolutely beautiful short. It might look like it's longs, but I think it was somewhere in and around here. Was it in August or was it? No, no, no. It was here. This was the short that I had. I forgot. I thought it was the break of the structure, but it was the break of the structure. Coming into this, we have a lot of things going on. I would suggest I'd probably take the break if we go above this. So just gonna set alerts again. Russell is not something that I trade that often, so I'm not that interested in it. Anyways, if there's something that sets up massively, then I will. We're coming into problems here. This could be a potential area for us to bounce. Rejection of any of this. This is the Dow. The Dow is pretty. It's pumping, right? Industrials, Trump. You know what to expect. Trump is the man of industrials, so this could be a reason why this could go up. You never know. Coming on to the MES, that is the ES futures, the S&P 500. As you can see, trending up, takes a turn, takes a U-turn, and we are here. It looks very, very intriguing to me. The high, so I'm going to just write that down as well. The MES. I know. I just have these things in place so that whenever or if I ever am busy doing something, I can know what is happening in these markets. Before I make a decision or uh, yeah, whatever. So we'll have another alert here as well. So approaching the level and then to the level. So just gonna name this as approaching. Yikes! That wasn't good. I didn't like that. That was so loud. I'll reduce the volume on this piece of shit. Okay. That was so loud. Holy hell, my ears. I don't want that to happen again. Okay. Anywho, hopefully the recording volume is not affected. Okay, let me get done with this real quick because I don't want this thing to be, making more noise again. So with this, let's see what's happening. It's almost the same. These charts they are not identical, but they're almost the same. The ES futures, they're meh. I could see the potential of a long, just because we're fresh into Trump's election cycle. So this thing could continue going up until it finds a level where it wants to come down and then start crashing. Let's look what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is down some 0.42%, but over on the day as of now it is rising. Gold, on the other hand, was a trade that we took, right? I don't know what's happening with that. Maybe, yeah, we're still playing around there. Still playing around. $10. Oh well, whatever. Anyways, that is my thoughts. Those are my thoughts. And yeah, hopefully we get to see some action. I'll be sharing more stuff here. Okay. Thank you for